so it looks really, really good. It's not done. We got to flip it over. But unfortunately, I'll show you right now what happened. This piece right here, I didn't see in the computer. That means this spindle came crashing down right on top of this. It missed this, which is good. But unfortunately, it's no longer straight. The whole Z plate, this one, I have to readjust everything now. So, shit happens. But I got a half a nut done, so I'm happy that I'm able to cut steel on a hobby CNC machine. If you guys want to know more, hit that follow button.